Hello everyone, I'm from SUNINN Company. Today I'll introduce you our prefab house T6. Equipped with the entrance door and a smart lock. It has one bedroom and one bathroom. Here is the wash area, customizable sink and built-in mirrors. There is the shower area on the left, including instantaneous shower head and HVAC lighting system. Next to the smart toilet, as well as ventilated window. The room is very spacious and put 2 beds. There are the curved windows and installed electric curtains. All bay system inside are installed for you. That's our T6. If interested, contact me at any time.